Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the 2024 Body Shop Advent Calendar. So, this is how it looks here. It's massive, and then inside, that's how it looks. Sorry, I'm doing a terrible job. This thing is so heavy. This was very kindly sent over to me, which I cannot believe what I'm saying. Like, I feel like that's just crazy. But anyway, I'm very, very grateful, and I'm so excited to unbox this one. So, let's get into it. Oh, I could have just shown it to you like this. It's very cute on the inside, so yeah, let's get into it. We're starting here with day one, and on our first day we have the Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. This is a hydrating one. That's how it looks there. Super cute, nice little sheet mask. Ooh, day two, we have a massive shower gel. This is the pink grapefruit shower gel, and I absolutely love this scent so much. It is so nice. Oh, it's so good. The Body Shop reminds me of like summertime showers. Like, you know, when it's like hot outside and then you kind of take like a shower that's like lukewarm kind of thing. I don't know. That's just what these scents remind me of. They're so good. But yeah, I love this scent so much. And yeah, I feel like that's a really nice size. 250 mils. Day three is next. And we have a hand cream. This is the British Rose hand cream. I absolutely love the British Rose scent. It smells so good. Unfortunately, I'm not really a hand cream girl, but it's still nice. Yeah, that's how it looks. Super cute. Day four is next, and we have another sheet mask. This is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. It says Illuminate, which sounds cool actually. That one there. I really like the packaging of this one. I don't know, this orange is like calling to me. Day five, we have a shower cream. This is like a little mini one. This is the 60 ml, and this is the Shea scent. Shea is, oh, I don't know. I've got a couple like Body Shop scents that are tied for favourite, but Shea is definitely one of them. Now that I think about it, I love most of them. I think my favourites would have to be mango, pink grapefruit, Shea, and the British Rose. Oh, it smells so good. I absolutely love it. It's so nice. It's super like refreshing, but also like smells like really warm. And I don't know, I just love this scent. It's really, really nice. One of my faves. Day six, we have a little lip butter. So cute. And this one is in the Shea scent as well, which is nice. I do really like the Body Shop lip butters. I used to have like so many of them. So there it is there. Super cute. Day seven. Oh cute. I've never had this product before, so that's really exciting. So this is called the Swipe It Moisturizing Lip Balm in strawberry. Wow, that's cool. I've never seen that product before. It smells really nice. And it looks like it's like a pink shade, so that's super cute. Yeah, I don't know if these are like new or what, but that's really exciting. Day eight, we have a mango body butter. Like I said, I love mango. Oh, it's so good, guys. Yeah, these are like so nostalgic to me. I don't know why, but yeah, they're just so good. Yum, love that. So yeah, I've got a little mango body butter. Love that. Day nine. We have another lip butter. This is the strawberry one. So that's it there. I know my sister absolutely loves the strawberry scent from the Body Shop, so I might give her this for Christmas. I know strawberry is like a very popular scent. I do like the strawberry one. I feel like it's just, I don't love it as much as I love the other ones I mentioned before. Day 10 is next. And we have another hand cream. This is in almond milk. It says for dry sensitive skin, 96 hours nourishing moisture. I think I like the almond scent as well, as far as I remember. That's exciting. Day 11, we have a nail polishing block. 4 steps to nail heaven. So yeah, it's just like a little buffing block thing. So that's cute. I feel like last year I would have been upset about this, but then obviously this year I got into nails, so I'm a man. Day 12. Oh my god, we've got another massive shower gel. That's so exciting. I don't know if I've ever got shower gels this big in the advent calendars before, so that's cool. This is a strawberry one, so once again I'll probably give this to my sister. Oh, it is really nice. I do like the smell of it. Like I said, it's just like the 4 I mentioned before are my favourites, so but this one's still really nice and refreshing. I think I'm definitely going to give that to my sister as a Christmas present. I feel like she'll love that. Okay, day 13, we have the chamomile sumptuous makeup cleansing butter, which I really want to try this because you guys know that I love a good cleansing balm. That smells like something I've smelled before. I know it's like chamomile, but I can smell something in it. It almost smells a little bit sunscreeny, I think. A bit like sunscreen. Don't know. But anyway, that's exciting. It says it's suitable for sensitive skin and it removes waterproof makeup. So I'm very excited to try that out. I have given my makeup cleansers an absolute workout this month, like scrubbing off all of my Halloween makeup. So I can always do the restock of makeup like remover. Day 14. We have a little lip rescue stick in hemp. Cute. I don't think I've ever had one of these before either. It smells really nice actually. It's like very fresh. It says for repairing ultra dry lips, heavy duty moisture. That sounds really nice. I kind of want to try that out. I don't know, I just feel like that looks and sounds really nice. Heavy duty moisture, like that sounds like me. Like I need that. Day 15. Oh my god, we've got another. Oh no, I thought this was another shower gel. This is exciting. This is the Vitamin E Moisturizing Toner. Oh, that smells really nice. That kind of almost smells like sherbet. Like it smells like a bit whiz fizzy. I kind of really like it. It's got berries on the outside, so I wonder if that's why. Like if it's like a berry kind of scent. But yeah, I don't know. It smells really good. But I'm actually excited for that because a hydrating toner sounds really nice. Once again, this is such a huge size. It's a 250ml. Super exciting. Love that. Day 16. Oh cool. We've got a little shower gel. It's a 60ml and this is the British Rose, one of my faves. You know what? I think they've changed the scent a bit. Unfortunately, I feel like it's still really nice. Don't get me wrong. Either my nose has changed or they've changed the scent a bit. It smells a bit sweeter now or something. Like I feel like it used to be like more floral and now it's a bit more sweet. It's still really nice, but I do feel that they've changed the scent slightly. Either way though, I'm excited. Okay. Oh, we've got another shower gel. It's a mango one, which is exciting. Oh, that's so good. So refreshing and nice. I feel like all of their scents have changed slightly. If you... like, let me know down below if you think that as well. Like, they still smell really good, but I feel like they've all changed slightly. Either that or it's my nose. I don't know. Okay, day 18. Ooh, I forgot coconut. Coconut's another scent from them that I really like. This is the body butter in the coconut scent. That's so good. That really reminds me of like Christmas time and like summertime. Oh, I love that. It's so like coconutty, but like also like warm, like tropical feeling. Love that. It's really, really nice. There it is there. So nice. Day 19. I've got another sheet mask. This is the... I do not think I'm going to be able to say that. Elderwis. I know I said that wrong. Serum concentrate sheet mask enriched with something acid and peptide, smooth and protect. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know what that says. Like what is that word? But anyway, love the green. You guys know that I love green. Yeah, I feel like that sounds really nice. Day 20, we have another body butter in almond milk. Yeah, that's really nice, the almond scent. It's very like subtle but really nice. There it is there. 21, we have another hand cream. This is the mango scented one. That's how it looks there. Super nice. 22, we've got another sheet mask. This is the Aloe Soothing Sheet Mask, formulated for sensitive skin, and it says calm. That sounds really nice. You know what? I might use that when I'm done with all of my Halloween looks because I feel like my face is just going to need a big old, like, a calm moment. In need of a skin soothe, of a soothing sheet mask. Day 23. Got another big one. This is the shower cream in almond milk. Oh yeah, it's really nice. It just like smells really like calm and subtle and soft. I don't know, I really like it. So that's how it looks there. Love that. 24, our second last day. Got the Rescuing Hand Protector in hemp. Cute. So I wonder if this one's a little bit different to like the other ones. Like this one sounds a bit more like, I don't know, hand rescuer, you know, it sounds like a bit more intense. Then our final day. Oh my god, what the hell? We've got like a super sized body butter. This is a 200ml body butter in the Shea scent. Love it. I love Shea so much. This is massive. Like, girl, that's so big. I like that they gave us like a super sized product on the last day. I feel like that's really nice. Okay, cute. Let's talk about it. Let's look at prices and stuff. Okay, so it is called the Mega Advent. Our new Mega Advent calendar contains 25 exciting products for all that self-care goodness in the lead up to the day. To the big day, sorry. So it is $200 and it says that it's worth $317. So you get an extra $117 of value. Well, technically 118, I guess. But yeah, I feel like that's really nice. I feel like this one was really exciting. We saw some products in here that were a little bit different to what like I've seen in previous years. I feel like that's fun. Yeah, once again, I'm so grateful to have been sent this. I feel like it's really nice. I love that we got like, I feel like once again, I've never seen those massive sizes before, so I feel like that was fun. I feel like this one seems to have a bit more value than past calendars. I don't know, but yeah, anyway, I did really enjoy this one. Let me know down below if you picked this one up or what you thought, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.